Hi, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you can get notifications when I post something new. Like, share, and subscribe. Okay, this is number 6 of the Farm Animal Swap. It is a make one, get one, or make two, get two requirements. You need 1 ACT or MDC, something beaded, 2 crafter choice items, and 1 store-bought crafty goodie with cute packaging. This is number 6, and it is coming from Holly. And I will link her in the description box. And look at this, you guys. Oh my gosh, it is so stinking cute. We have return shipping label. Thank you for that. This one. Yeah, this one goes on here like this. So the bows fell off and I have to redo the bows. Sorry about that. So she's got a card here for her partner. So I will save that. And then there's a blue bag. And then there's this bag here. So let's open the blue bag and see what's inside here. Oh, this one has a tag on it with a little cow. Oops, and it says my name. So this is my bag, and then, okay, there's nothing written on the other one. So she's got this as a tag that says, to Jenny. How cute. And look, I even get a cookie cutter up for a barn. And then we have, what in the world did you put in here, girl? To put the bag aside. Here's a card or note. And what does this say? Okay, so, and she done it in chickens with the chicken wire background. How cute is that? Jenny, thanks for hosting the swap. I loved it. Holly. So cute. I love this. And then she's done a box. And she wrapped it up in pig wrapping. Just a regular old box. Pig farm style wrapping. How cute is that? And I think this may have fell off something on this book. So here is a little, we got a sheep. How cute. And it goes like that. Oh, and it has a hole, a drain hole, so I can use this for real plants. I have a little tiny succulent I can put in there. Thank you, Holly. That's super cute. And then she has gifted Holly Casley Made with Love, Handmade with Love. She's done a pin that she has wrapped, I think, or she bought it this way, I don't know. No, I think it was wrapped. A happy day for a little cow. That is cute. And then she has this hanging, so I think this is probably supposed to go on it somehow. And I'll reattach it after the video. And then she's got another dangle on this side with another cow and a sheep. What is this? And a bandana. Oh my gosh. Super cute. I love the black and white. Utterly awesome. And this thing, holy smokes, is jam-packed full of little mini notebooks. So cute. Thank you so much, Holly. Thank you. All right. And then for her swap partner, I'm going to move my stuff out of the way so we can make room for the swap. Okay. So for this one, it is a insulated, it looks like a lunch tote, and it's so cute. And inside is her swap. How cute. So on this one, it has a bow. It keeps falling off. And then a pig, or a cow dangle. And then you get a cow cookie cutter. And it's insulated, a little lunch bag. And then you get a little cow. Oh, this one's so cute. A little cow succulent holder. And then she has the chicken with some more dangles. And then on this side, she's got pig, sheep, and a cow with just black and red and then a star. Very cute. And then the pin says I Heart Cows. Cute. Made by Holly on Instagram, YouTube, and I'll link all this down and you can find her. And she's got chickens, then it's like a little folder style, and then sheep, and then cow. I was gonna say moo-moos. Super cute. What a great idea. And then for her swap, she's done a little bag, and she's got it with the cows and the pigs and just the whole farm life, farm scene, with a cow bow and a star. And then inside, she's gifting a pokey tool with a cow bead, the bandana charm. Super cute. And then you get some doodle pops. So how cute are those? I love that little tractor and a little farmer. And then you get a rosette with chickens. And she's got some silver like sewing thread in the back to give it some little more of a pop. And then this is her index. Make sure there's no address where I share. Okay, there's no address on the back. It just has her information for her swap partner. And then she's got all the cute little ephemera. And she's got it layered up. Okay, and then she has, I don't know if this is a bag topper maybe. Sorry, my nail is just not catching today. Okay, here we go. Okay, sorry, my son just came in, barged right in. How's it going? And this looks like it's just a like tag, something you could put on a bag topper, a page topper, extra ephemera piece in a junk journal, whatever you're going to use it for. It's cute and layered. And then this one has bows. I'm not going to take these out because you can see them pretty plainly in here. So she's got the red paisley cow print and then a checker print. And then look at these tiny little puffy stickers. How cute are these? Super cute. With like the little baby chicks. Very cute. Thank you, Holly, for joining this swap. This was very fun to go through and look at. And I appreciate you making a, what do you call that? It's not a memory dex. It's a memo note holder. That was very sweet of you. Thanks for watching. Bye.